How to connect Bluetooth headphones to Roku TV. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can connect your Bluetooth headphones such as AirPods to Roku TV. The first step is to turn on your Roku TV. Then from the home page, you want to go down to the settings and then you want to click on the option of remotes and devices. Then over there, you want to select the option of wireless headphones. Now you should find the option of add new wireless headphones. Select that option. Once you select it, it says that make sure the headphones are turned on and you're going to find a searching option. You also want to make sure that the headphones are in pairing mode. For example, if you want to use Apple AirPods, then make sure that those AirPods are in pairing mode and you can see after a handful of seconds that the AirPods shows up on the screen. Now you can click on the option of OK. Once you do that, your Bluetooth headphones are going to be successfully connected to the Roku TV. So now you can listen to the audio of Roku TV through the Bluetooth headphones that you have just connected with. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.